This is a teardown of a TeamGroup L5 3D Lite 240 gig solid state drive. And there's nothing really special about this. It's just, I get a lot of them that are junk from recycling clients. I thought I'd see what's inside. And there's one whole screw holding this cover on because it's basically snap fit with a warranty sticker holding it on. This is not going to be a nice teardown because, as far as I'm concerned, I don't like TeamGroup products. And I don't care if this thing is salvageable or not because my history says they're junk. I think I'd buy a silicon power drive before I bought TeamGroup if I was being cheap, basically, and going on see what the cheapest solid state drive I can get is. There's the inside. Actually more disappointing than I thought it'd be. I don't know what I was expecting. Normally you just see a small PCB. But this one just so far doesn't look impressive. There's more going on there than I expected. Let's see if this is better with the flashlight on. And there's the storage chip right there. Looks like this must have caching because that's a Micron memory chip. And there's the controller chip. Looks like the brand is SM. And the model is SM2258G. Interesting. I guess it's not that bad of a board. I'm just used to seeing pictures online of the Samsung ones where it's like this big and it's just all chips. But looks like there are some bypass capacitors in the bottom for the processor. And I'm assuming all this stuff along here is power regulation. A lot of it. It's practically solid. But otherwise, I mean, nothing else really of excitement to see. But if you want to know what's inside of your dead TeamGroup solid state drive, this model, now you know. Interesting though, one way or another, I suppose.